album sucks. His album sucks. Yeah. You came for quality, you're out of luck. Ain't nothing worse than this, cause we ain't got no genre that fits. Jack of all trades, cause we are mistakes. No one else like us. Man, you can't even comprehend our goals. I bet your name is Gus, and you like trolls. Like the movie. You know, that one that's for kids. You know, that one with Justin Timberlake yet again. This album fucking sucks.
Yeah, this album fucking sucks. Yeah, this album fucking sus. Among Us, you eat ducks. Yeah, you better duck, cause I'm gonna come all over your face and shit. Yeah, full of shit. I'm a shit out of my booty cheeks and shit. Yeah, this album is shit. And not the good kind, you know, the one that comes out of your mom. Your mom poops.
Yo, take your thought. Yo.
Beating you up like a man, walk up building about him. Being all stupid again, Joe would being a pest. Officer Paul's under arrest. Am I stupid? I think yes. I went down to your mom's and she made me breakfast. Call that being your stepdad, cause that's all my plan is. You know who I am? Yeah, I'm a man. Man, 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 man. I love men.
I don't know, but I'm man. I have no verse, not even a plan. On my stove, eggs on pan. They burn pretty bad. Black like man, green eggs and ham. Beat my wife? Well man, my hands go pow and wham. Legs don't work, I can't stand. Man, 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 man.
Penis and balls like man. My cylinder caught in M&M's. I don't listen to Eminem. Not a fan of one man. Catch me if you can. Yeah. Harley Quinn, more like Harley Quinn. Yo, a pussy, smell like beef. Red Solo cup, Toby Keith. Take off your sock, give me your feet. Yeah, I love smelly feet. Bitch, let me smell your feet. Yeah, toes in the sink. Yeah, give me a drink. Man, 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 man. Bitch, I'm gay like man. Bitch, I'm a gay man. Sucking dick a man. Man, 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 man.
Yeah, I'm the magic man. I keep a hand, the peanut butter man. How do you speak Turkestan? I go shopping, and I have a plan. Talk to the grocery man, get what I need in grams. Oh no, I forgot that man. How do you speak Japan? I really don't know man. That's not 208. listening to a Wait Caravan. Yeah, man.
You get dog. Mr. Gear. Let me get my notes. Saw a dog in the park. First he barked, then I fart. In my comedy at Walmart. Not even rapping yet. Let's start. I play Bowser in Mario Kart. Eat a hot dog flavored Pop Tart. The dog is not good at darts. This is a dog, because you're not smart. My mom sat on a hot dog once. This dog clearly was the runt. Come after me and he gets the bunt. Rippozo pack watch blunts. Never owned a dog, not even once. You be a jackass the way you do stunts. Your mom is a cunt. I stick my dick in your mom's cunt.
Saw a dog in the park. Tried to pet him and he went hard. I don't know why, but he just started chasing me. I was so scared I ran my ass up a tree. I thought I was safe, but then I found out he can climb. Oh shit, I say, when I realized I was out of time. I fell and I hit my ass on the ground. Then the dog fell too. And it turns out there's no pound. Then I realized, wait a minute, this is a Chihuahua. The owner came up and said, "Are you harassing my dog?" I said, "No, bitch, I was getting harassed by the other bitch." Then I karate kick chopped her and I punted the dog into the sun like, "Oh!" And then I raised my arms in victory and said, "I won!" Yeah. One more dog in the park. That's what you get for sinking your dog on me, stupid bitch.
No more dog in the park.
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 No more of your dogs in the park.
No more of my dogs in the park.
Your dogs are gone.
I killed them.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Steve, and I got some pet peeves in mind. I got like 3 of them. Well, first thing would be my neighbor's dog. My neighbor's dog's name is like Delilah or something. I don't remember. It's really annoying because it tries to kill me. And I don't appreciate that. I think that dog should be put down. It's like really dangerous. I got another pet peeve, which is my boss. I fucking hate him. He's like really mean to me. His name's Stan. He didn't give me a raise even though I worked for that company for like 10 years and I didn't ask for a raise like at all. You know, I think it's really rude, okay? And the last thing that I really hate would be my wife, Susan. She drives me up a wall and like, wait, no, what was that? Oh shit, she's back. No.
Get the fuck out! My name's Steven. I hate my husband, Steve. Why do I hate him? His dick's small. He's a little hypochondriac. Do I hate him? No. Do I have sex with him? No. Do we have children? Yes. Am I disappointed? Yes. God fucking damn it! He's in me off! His fucking face is stupid! I fucking hate him! He's over here laughing when I won't fucking beat the fuck out of him! Got his body in the fucking river, you fucking bitch! I see you laughing! You ain't gonna divorce. You're gonna wind up in a body bag before I divorce you.
Please.
Oh, I'm not the father. I'm not the father. I'm not the father. Not your father. Not your father. They say that I'm their dad, and I tell them, ain't no way, Brad. They say that I got the DNA, but I tell them, ain't no fucking way. They say, look at the test results, and I tell you, it's all not actually technical. My wife, I don't talk to her. We ain't had kids, cause I never agreed to sex with her. Get me a Morty? I say no. They say why not? And I said that fucking blows. And they say, oh, well, you should be responsible. And I tell them, I do what I want. This is a free country, you asshole. I'm not the father. No, I'm not the father. No, not your father.
Here,
I'm not anyone's father.
not the father. Hair in a sock. Pure cotton, feels good on my cock. Wife took the fucking house. Light skin stare, straight from the south. Oh, shit, no wife I suppose. Oh, let me see them toes. I gotta go get milk. Oh shit, I don't drink milk. Like your father. Oh, not the father. Yeah, not the father. Yeah, not the father. Your father, your sister, mother, brother. Your mom didn't touch her. Minor didn't touch her. Your parents embarrassed cause you weren't in Paris. Twerk so hard, we spill it. I got milk, gotta fill it. Crash so hard, is your name McSkillet? Oh, shit, is your name McSkillet? Bitch, banana, I fucking peel it. Yeah, peel it. Yeah, suck my banana.
bastard, yeah.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I don't like Justin Roiland, but I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like Funko Pops.
I watch Rick and Morty.
I like 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 Rick and Morty.
I love Rick. And I love Morty.
Kind of weird that you like minors.
I love Rick and Morty.
I like 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 Doc and Marty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I like Rick and Morty.
I watch Rick and Morty.
You are now listening to the Jazzy section.
Oh no, he's going fucking crazy!
I gotta get my emotions out on the track. Your mother didn't call me back, cause she dead. Yeah, yes sir. She dead. Yes sir. And my only response to that is, yeah, eat a dick, you little Fortnite player, bitch. Hop on my dick, yeah. You fuck little kids, yeah. R. Kelly this shit, yeah. Freestyling, my ass is grinding on Mr. Gear, cause Mr. Gear is a queer. I am a queer. You are a deer. Get me a drink, dear. Wash my dishes, dear. Get me dishes, dear. Make me food, dear. What's that? You're not gonna make me food? Well, you should, dear. Oh, you handed me divorce papers? What did I do to get divorced, huh? And you're gonna leave me, huh? You're gonna leave me? Yeah, go ahead and take the fucking kids, bitch. I don't want them. You know what? Fuck you. Fuck your mom, too. Fuck you. Huh? You're saying I'm toxic? Yeah. Well, you don't make music. Your name ain't DK Thug. I'm DK Thug. Fuck you, bitch. Yeah. Go ahead. Go cry. Yeah, go cry. Go stay at your mother's. Go. I don't fucking care anymore. I'm sorry, baby. Buy me a Squishmallow.